Listen.
One day I spend 6 hours for study and 6 hours for sleep. I think it's very sensible. And I spend three hours for play game and 3 hours take and talk with Filipino. And then I do work and do work of individual and think something about 6 hours.
What's that 6 hours? About what?
I do something
Something crazy? Something wrong? Talk?
alone.
Something alone? What was that?
I think everyone
Si Mark kalat ng kalat dyan.
everyone also know without you and
That,
everyone know.
that, except us. Except us. Yeah, I know. So everybody knows that you're doing that and we don't know it. Okay? Yeah, we don't have any idea about it. But everybody knows.
I don't want to stay with you.
Yes, yeah, I
I
know.
don't want you and you know it.
Yeah, lamping alone. I know that.
No.
I know that.
No, do something alone.
Okay.
Take so
Yes.
No one.
Yes, that's what I also heard. I know
So hard to tell. Okay. So
My favorite activity is take and talk with
talk and talk with
take and talk with Filipino.
Filipino.
I take with Gracie. And
Gracie.
Helen, Silly, and Mark. I think it's mainly grabs.
Alone, I always go by.
I check my grammar. I think my time I spend very sensible. So I think everyone.
So you learn from it.
Learn follow me.
So they learn. Yes.